All right, folks, we're going to be doing some calzone tonight, or calzone. Potato rosemary. In the meantime, Amelie's making some nice sauce for tomorrow's game. Sausages, got the meatballs on. All right, let's get it on with the calzones over here. We'll show you how to rock and roll. So first up, Ash, we want to slice our potato up. So, it's, pretty thin slices. Normally I'd use a nice round, smaller potato, but that's all I had was these guys, so this is a yellow potato too, it looks like, so that's cool. Anything's good. Get some thin slices in there. Get it in the bowl. Okay, we'll slice this up. Nice and thin like that, Ash. See that though?
Yep.
That should be enough for one calzone. Okay, let's get that in there. We're gonna add a little bit of water to that, just a touch. Okay, now we're gonna microwave that for like, let's try 2 minutes. We just wanna pre-soften it, and we'll be back in a minute. Now we're gonna chop some roasted pepper up. It's gonna be inside with some cold cuts, cheese. See that all?
Yep.
And the juice from the jar that we're gonna use, we're gonna make our egg wash over here, Ash. Just about 2 tablespoons of that, juice from the roasted peppers. We'll get an egg and some oil in here. Show you that in a minute. Okay, so that's our roasted pepper. We'll get that over there. Let's finish making our egg wash for the top of the calzones, Ash. We got 1 egg. We got about a tablespoon of oil. If you see a shell in there, you want to pick that out, obviously. Okay, we got the shell out. We're gonna beat that. All right, so let's roll our dough out. To make homemade dough, you can grab it at the pizza joint. Let's get that rolled out. Okay, so that's looking good. Get it rolled out to a nice big oval. Then we're gonna cut that in half. See that, Ash?
Yep.
We're just gonna use regular cold cuts on these. I was gonna do just ham and cheese with the potato and onion, but I'm gonna go full cold cut. We're gonna start off with some Genoa salami. All right, I got some nice ham here. Basic cold cut. I got some sweet capicola here. This is really nice. Let's get that on there. Spread it all out nice and even. See that, Ash?
Yep.
Okay, we got a little sharp slicing provolone. I got some Swiss, really works well in this, so I got some nice Swiss cheese in there. And we're gonna lay in some roasted peppers. Okay, we got some roasted pepper on there. This adds a great flavor to the inside of the calzone. Okay, that's a nice combination right there. Let's get that wrapped up, and we'll get it on the pan and show you how to put the potatoes on. Okay, so we're just gonna fold that over like that. We'll just fold them in. Give it a little twist. Guys, we got some cornmeal on the bottom of the pan. Lay our little calzone on there. Let's get our other one wrapped up here, Ash. All right, sometimes you want to just fold that over. Just give it a little more volume in there, Ash, because we're not going to stack a big, thick of flat meat on there, okay? Got it?
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're going to put the egg wash on there, special egg wash. This one dough, 2 calzones. Okay, little Romano cheese. See that, doll?
Yep.
Get some Romano on top. That'll stick to the egg wash, like so. Got 3 or 4 slices of Swiss. I'm just gonna chop them in little strips like that. Top of the plain one, Ash, a little Swiss cheese. Okay, we're gonna give it like a semi-braid, like that, so it looks, when this comes out, it's gonna look like it came from a bakery. Really, really cool looking. Okay, see that, doll?
Yep.
Get that done. Okay, let's get the potatoes. We have pre-softened potatoes. Okay, let's get them on top. Okay, we don't want them too thick. But that's looking good right there. Okay. And now we're gonna get some of the red onion. Oops, crack that on top. Now we're gonna put some red onion on there. Get the thin ones if you can. Okay. That's looking cool. Okay, Ash, you good with that?
Yep.
So So the oil one, we're just gonna put a touch of oil on top.
The potato.
That's good. Potato and onion. Okay, so we just put a little bit of oil on top of the potato and onion one. Now we're gonna cross that one with the Swiss cheese. Okay, so guys, let's get that in the oven, 400 degrees, 20 minutes. Show you how we rock and roll here. Guys, if you're doing this, don't forget to put the rosemary on top. Okay, not too much, just peel it off, peel it back. See that, Ash?
Yep.
Rosemary is really powerful, so you don't want to overwhelm it. Okay, so that's really good. All right, let's get that back in the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, Ash, let's get those out of the oven. Okay, it's looking good. Bad boys right there. Let's get a close look at those, Ash. Whoa, let's try the regular Ash, huh? Smoking hot. Really, really good. Oh, yeah. Wow. Give it a shot, guys.
That was the bomb.
That's what I'm talking about. You good, Uncle Paulie? That was delicious. You playing for the camera? Come on, Belle. Give it a shot, guys. You're gonna like this one. Even Bella's got a tail moving there. She's a doll. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next vid. Rock and roll, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, get down. Come on, doll. You're a doll.
Are we not supposed to talk?